Hello everyone, my name is Jhilam Sinha. I'm currently working here as Research Fellow in ICED, IIT Roorkee. My topic is on reconstruction of satellite soil moisture series using physical processes. So basically, soil moisture is a very important variable. It's one of the most important scale variables in hydrological processes. Mainly, so that means we need to have a good estimation of soil moisture series. What we are doing here is when we compare the SMAP satellite soil moisture series with in situ datasets, we find some very basic problems when we look at the dry down periods. Dry down periods we have when we don't have the precipitation, right? So what we have seen is that the SMAP dry down series it dries really fast compared to the in situ datasets, and also there is wet biases. Our model actually tries to modify those variables, try to modify the K, that is the drying rate, and also the initial soil moisture point. We do this by using our model that is actually it's a recursive model. We try to find we are doing the univariate correction and then we do the bivariate correction. We take the outputs from here, we put it in our reconstruction model. We try to find out the points within the dry down periods, and then we use the points in the dry down periods to correct the non-dry down periods. Ultimately we get the whole soil moisture series. This is important because we are trying to translate the gridded datasets, soil moisture datasets, into point datasets. This can be used for soil moisture disaggregation as well. Also, if you have soil moisture points at different depths, you can also translate your soil moisture series from surface soil moisture to soil moisture at the root zone as well. And this is very important if you see, if in agricultural modeling also this method is very handy, and also like in metrology and everything you can use it. Thank you.